Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make bold captions in TikTok posts. So if you want to make a bold captions like this one's right here, you can follow my steps. So as for your information, this bold caption can only be created if you post photos, slide photos like this on TikTok. So if you only post a video, you cannot create these bold captions. So here I'm going to just show you. I'm going to click on the plus icon and add a photos to the TikTok post. So I'm already choosing for photos. Now you can just click on next, and if you want to, you can also edit the photos, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just click on next again. So you can see this is the slide photos later. You can click on next, and in here click on the captions in here, and you can see there will be this add a catchy title. So the bold captions that I say before is actually the title. So for example, I'm going to just write a, a good place for coffee, for example. So as you guys can see here, the caption is now bold, but at the bottom if you type in again, the caption will not be bold. So only the title is bold, and you can just click on post after that, and you can see the result that the captions will be bold. I'm going to show you. So you can see it is bold like this. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.